All right, guys, so let's get some icons for this, and I think it is themify icons. Okay, click here, and let's see. It does have for brands. So what was it we did? Twitter, right? So let me see. What the hell's Twitter? Okay, Twitter. TI Twitter. So copy this. Scroll down. Okay, let's find where we have the logo. Okay, so here we're gonna put in span class, paste that in. TI Twitter. Okay, let's copy this. TI Instagram. TI, what was it? TI GitHub. And TI YouTube. Hopefully they have a YouTube icon. Sometimes some icon sets don't have YouTube. Okay, there you go. So we do have YouTube. Cool. Now, let's come back up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in where it says social, we're going to put in Twitter. Okay. We're going to put in Instagram on this one. We're going to put in GitHub. Okay. And for this one, we're going to put in YouTube. So let's come back to our styles. Okay. Let's do this. We got container, about, Let me see. Container, about, yes. So then down here, after the paragraph, no, it's not the container about. That's not what we want. Make sure we find the ending of that, and it should be right here. Should be social what? Social media? Okay. So social media. Okay, and then now what we're doing is we're gonna come in, we'll say social media, what else? Display flex. And we kind of could do this with CSS grids, but oops. Okay, display flex. Okay, matter of fact, let's put in with 100%. Okay, and let's put this display grid. Okay, grid template columns. Let's say 1FR, 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 1FR. You could probably do, repeat, but I don't want to do it right now. Okay, so next thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna come here, and inside of this we're gonna say, let's say social. Okay, then we're gonna say display flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Save that. Oops, I got so many things open. Okay, now, okay, so that's fine. Now we're gonna come here, we're gonna say flex direction. Is it row or column? Can't remember too well. Let me see. Save that. I don't know why it's not refreshing. There's something wrong with the script. So let's see. Everything is running good. Okay, let's put in column. Save that. Okay, there you go. That's what we wanted. Okay, now the next thing that we want to have for the span that's inside, which is the icon, we're going to make this font size 3 rem. Save that. Okay, I don't know why it's not refreshing. Okay, there you go. Font size 3 rems. Now, why is this 1000 being affected? Oh, what do we have? Let me see. How? Why? What? Why did we do that again? I can't remember. So instead of span, we're gonna put in class TI. So let's go to styles. Okay, and instead of doing it like this, we're gonna come here, do this like this, say class. Okay, and then put the little thing that goes up, put equals to, and then TI, and let's see, this should fix it. Okay, there you go. So only targets the span that start with the little TI. Okay, cool. Now, the next thing that we want, so we have, was a class logo. So, I mean, we could have done this and say logo span, right? And then down here, we could come here and say logo, no, what was it? Stats span, stats span. And then this, we're gonna say text align centered. Okay, display block. Okay. All right, there we go. And then now the next thing that we want, let's see, span block, let's say font size. No, let's say for the stats. So let's say stats. I think we might as well just take this and put it inside, right? Put that in, take that out. Okay, which is the same thing. But now we could just say font size, let's say 2 rem, save that. Okay. 2 rem, and then now I'm gonna say 2 rem for this one, and then font size 1.1 rem for the text that's down here. Okay. There you go. Your boy is nice. Okay. Now the next thing that we want to do, okay, so we have all those things here. We want to give this thing a little space. So let's say for logo margin bottom, let's say 15 pixels. Save that. Let's see how that looks. Might be a little bit too much. Refresh. What the hell? Did it add it? Let's say 40 pixels. It's like I could barely see it. There's something going on here. Okay, it's not refreshing. So do npm run watch. Okay. Let me see. Let me make sure what's going on here. It could be the way it's set up because let me see. Okay, so margin bottom is there. Let's say if we change this to display block. That's what it was, is the display of it. So let's say display block, and let's say 15 pixels. Okay. Refreshed. There you go. All right. Now for this other ones, we're gonna put in for the stats. Let's say margin, say 10 pixels. Margin bottom. Okay, cool. Now, all right, so we have that. Now we can actually do a hover. So if we hover on top of this, so let's say, oops, where is it? If we hover, we want to change the color to red. So let's see how that goes. Okay, there you go. Huh, not bad. All right, so I'm just gonna change this up to more realistic numbers. So let's say TI, let's say YouTube, let's say I got 31,000 followers. Okay, on my, what's it, my GitHub, I might have like 94 followers. On my Instagram, I might have about 2K followers, and on my Twitter, I might have 1K followers. Okay, so there you go. And then now we got that little hover. Now for the color, I think it would be cool. I mean, you could have it the color of like YouTube, the color of Instagram, you know, it's up to you. You could change it, of course. I'm gonna come here and say cursor pointer. All right. Now put this here better. All right. Now, let me see what else. So weird that if I come here for whatever reason, like the cursor pointer is not being added when I hover on top of it. But it's all right. Maybe you guys could figure it out on your own. I'm not gonna go in too deep into it. I mean, look, now it's back. It's so weird. Okay. Okay, so there you go. So that's what it is. Now, I think the colors of red, it's fine, but just to keep like the theme, maybe we could take that little blue that we did before on the button. So let's say primary button. Let me see, where is it? Da-da-da, primary button, background. Copy this, scroll all the way down. Okay, and on the color, let's change this to that. Save that. Oh, there you go. Now that looks nice. Now if we want, we could add some transition. He's in and out. Save that. Let that reload. Okay. Compiling. What's going on? Oh yeah, it did it. I didn't even notice. So there you go. Pretty nice. Cool. All right, guys. So here you go, guys. This is literally a website that you guys can use for your portfolio. Now, like I said, guys, if you want to support the website and support what I do here, we got over 30 courses, guys. Like literally take some time, check out the website. I'm going to put a link on the description and on the pinned comments. Basically, you're going to get a discount. You get so many good courses, guys. I'm telling you, like, this is one of the best like ways to save money. Like if you go to Udemy or you go to any platform, you're gonna have to buy each course separately. When you go to my website, you get it direct. You sign up for a subscription. It's a subscription base. It's a monthly plan. You know, a month you could cancel it, 2 months cancel it. Whenever you're ready, you cancel it. If you say, hey, I want to save some money, do the yearly plan. Okay, now if you really want to save some money, you buy the lifetime access, and like I said, on the description you're gonna get a discount. Now I want to know, right? I want to know from you guys, are you interested in seeing this become a full-fledged website, right? Meaning having the projects, having the contact form, having everything that you need to get this live? Or are you just happy with this and say, okay, thank you, Joe, for this, I could do it from here? Okay, leave me a comment, let me know. Okay, I'm going to add this to my website, and I'm actually going to add more pages to this project. So if you are a member of codingphase.com, you will get access to all of this. So I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe, back at it again.